Hello and welcome back. Today we're covering a very important real-life situation, renting an apartment or flat in an English-speaking country. From viewing a property to signing a lease and dealing with landlords, you'll learn all the vocabulary and phrases you need to navigate the rental process confidently. Let's go! When you're looking for a place to rent, you'll often search online or contact an estate agent. Useful questions when searching. How much is the rent per month? Is the property furnished or unfurnished? Are bills included in the rent? How far is it from the nearest tube or bus stop? Is it pet-friendly? How long is the minimum tenancy? Furnished means the flat comes with furniture. Unfurnished means it's empty, you bring your own. Bills included means the landlord pays for utilities like gas, electricity, and water. During a viewing, is it possible to arrange a viewing? Which floor is it on? How much natural light does it get? Is there parking available? Which direction does it face? How long has it been on the market? Once you've found a place you like, you'll need to understand the lease or tenancy agreement. Key terms: lease/tenancy agreement, the legal contract between you and the landlord. Deposit, money paid upfront, returned when you leave if no damage is done. Usually 1 or 2 months' rent. Rent in advance, you often pay the first month's rent before moving in. Notice period, how much notice you must give before moving out, usually 1 or 2 months. Break clause, an option to leave the contract early under certain conditions. Inventory, a list of everything in the property and its condition when you move in. Questions to ask before signing. How much is the deposit? What is the notice period? Is there a break clause in the contract? Can I redecorate, or is that not allowed? Am I allowed to have flatmates? Once you've moved in, you may need to communicate with your landlord about repairs or problems. Reporting a problem: the boiler isn't working, there's no hot water. There's a leak under the kitchen sink. The heating has stopped working. A window is broken, I'd like to get it repaired. There's damp on the bedroom wall. Asking for repairs: could you arrange for someone to come and look at it? When would it be convenient for a repair person to visit? Is this something I should fix myself, or is it your responsibility? Key vocabulary: landlord, the person who owns and rents out the property. Tenant, the person renting the property. That's you. Estate agent, a company that helps find and rent properties. Maintenance, repairs and upkeep. Damp, moisture in walls, often causing mold. When the time comes to move out, there are important steps to follow. Giving notice: I'd like to give notice that I'll be leaving at the end of next month. I'm writing to inform you that I intend to vacate the property on the 30th. I'd like to confirm my move-out date in writing. Getting your deposit back: I've left the property clean and in good condition. I'd like to arrange a final inspection. Can you confirm when the deposit will be returned? I'd like a receipt for the deposit, please. If there's a dispute: I disagree with this deduction from my deposit. The damage was already there when I moved in, it's on the inventory. I'd like to refer this to the deposit protection scheme. In the UK, deposits must be protected in a government-approved scheme, so you have rights as a tenant. Great work today. Here's what we covered. We practiced vocabulary for searching and viewing a property. Furnished, bills included, viewing. We learned lease terminology: deposit, notice period, break clause, inventory. We covered how to report problems and request repairs from a landlord. And we looked at how to move out properly and protect your deposit. Write down 5 questions you would ask at a property viewing. Then imagine the answers. This is great preparation for real-life situations. See you in the next lesson.